Welcome to the 2024 Kent School District Capital Projects and Technology Replacement Levy presentation. This presentation provides facts and information about why this levy is needed to provide students with safe, modern school buildings and facilities, and to prepare our students for their futures. The Kent School District consists of 44 schools, 25,000 plus students, and 3,800 plus staff. The Capital Projects and Technology Replacement Levy would provide a majority of funding over the next 3 years for health and safety, replacements and improvements, and technology education. I want to call out a couple of items on this slide. Health and safety is a priority, and this levy supports replacing or adding HVAC systems and upgrades to intruder and fire alarm systems, some of which are over 20 years old. As you know, our Mill Creek Middle School track and field continually floods. This funding would support a synthetic field and rubberized track with a complete water retention system underneath. It would also address the safety concerns at the high schools due to water damage issues. The levy will replace old, outdated flooring and boilers, some of which are original to the buildings, as well as add emergency power at Central Kitchen so we don't lose food during longer power outages. Access to technology will provide students and teachers with updated technology resources like new document cameras, also known as ELMOs, and ensure equitable access to digital tools for all learners both in the classroom and at home. The levy will support innovative teaching methods and practices using the Microsoft Suite and Canvas, and it pays for Skyward, our student and staff information management tool. Modernizing our infrastructure like phone systems and intercom systems is a safety issue, with 50% of our intercoms on the verge of failing. They are used to communicate information daily, especially during safety situations. This will support modern educational needs, improve energy efficiency, and sustainability efforts. Professional development will provide opportunities for ongoing teacher training, professional growth, and supporting educators in implementing technology education in the classroom. Because the district failed both a bond and a capital levy last year, KSD taxes will be lower in calendar year 2024. As a result, an approved levy would mean taxes would increase in 2025. The intent of the April ballot measure is to rebound the overall taxing authority of the district back to previous levels, with an inflation-based increase going forward in 2025, 2026, and 2027. You can see the total amount of the collection for years 2024 through 2027 for both capital and technology projects. It is important to note the district levies a dollar amount, not a rate. So if your property values increase or decrease, the amount of the district can collect remains the same. This estimated calculation uses the median Kent home sale price last year of $610,000. Please find the King County Tax Tool link and more information about the costs of this proposed levy on our website. Please remember to vote by April 23, 2024. You don't need a stamp, and there are drop boxes at our local libraries. We would love to hear from you. Please email us at ksdlevy@kent.k12.wa.us or call 253-373-7524 for any questions concerning our levy. Thank you for your time and attention to be an informed voter. Again, remember to vote by April 23rd.